Hey everyone, welcome to the Farming 4.0 channel, where agriculture meets cutting-edge technology. In today's episode, we'll explore the fascinating world of carrot harvesting and processing. We'll see how modern technologies help us achieve high-quality yields and streamline the process from the field to your table. If you enjoy what you see and want to stay updated with the latest in modern agriculture, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. That way, you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Let's dive into the world of carrots. When it comes to applying fertilizer, it can be done either before planting or during the growth of the plants. Fertilizers should be spread evenly over the soil surface and mixed well to ensure proper nutrient distribution. The benefits of proper fertilization are numerous. First of all, plants will grow more vigorously and be more resistant to diseases and pests. Additionally, well-fertilized soil ensures a richer and higher quality yield. Moreover, organic fertilizers improve the structure and long-term fertility of the soil. After the carrots reach maturity, they're harvested using high-quality machinery. These modern machines ensure efficient and quick harvesting while maintaining the integrity and quality of the carrots. After harvesting, the carrots are sent to factories for processing and preparation for consumption. From there, they are shipped to consumers, ensuring they arrive fresh and in the best possible condition on your tables. Once the carrots arrive at the factory, they are directed to the washing stage to remove all bacteria and to comply with consumer protection laws. This step is essential to ensure that the carrots are safe and hygienic before reaching consumers' tables. After washing, the carrots are sorted and then prepared for the final step, packaging and potentially direct shipment to your supermarket. In the factory, the carrots are carefully inspected and sorted based on size, shape, and quality. They are then packaged in bags or boxes, depending on commercial requirements and how they will be displayed on shelves. Each package receives a clear label indicating the packing date, origin of the carrots, and other important product information. This helps consumers know exactly what they are buying and have confidence in the quality of the product. Once packaged, the carrots are prepared for distribution. They can be sent directly to your supermarket or a local distribution center, ensuring they arrive quickly and in fresh condition to your city. This intricate process ensures that the carrots you find in the supermarket are fresh, safe, and ready to be used in your favorite recipes. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with new videos and to always learn something new. See you next time. Bye.